Welcome guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So welcome to your channel Cook with Komal. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and subscribe first. So today we are gonna make chicken Bombay Biryani. Here I have 1.5 kg of chicken, green chili paste. It's a little crushed green chili, which is about 2 teaspoons, 1 cup of yogurt, 3 medium size of onions which is sliced. We have to brown it first. 1 bunch of mint leaves and one bunch of coriander leaves. So first of all, we have to make Bombay Biryani masala. 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 nutmeg, mace, an eye star, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 8 to 9 green cardamom, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 black cardamom, 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks. So we have to grind it first. We'll also add 2 tablespoons of black cumin. Take out all the grinded powder. Now we will add some more spices. 1 spoon of black pepper, 8 to 9 green cardamoms, 5 to 6 cloves, 4 cinnamon sticks, spoons of cumin, and 2 to 3 bay leaves. Now we will mix it very well. Add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Now mix it. Mix. Our Bombay Biryani masala is complete. It's ready. And in the end, we will add dried plums. So I'm gonna add it and it's complete now. Set aside. 1 time biryani masala. It's ready. Firstly, we have to brown the onions. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now our onion has brown. We have to take it out. So now we will add the chicken. Now we will add the green chili paste. Now we will add the biryani masala that we made. Add 1 tablespoon of salt or salt to taste. Now mix it. Now we will add ginger garlic paste. It's about 4 tablespoons. So now we will add 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix it. Now we will cook it and cover it. Cook it on medium flame, 10 to 15 minutes. Chicken will completely tender. Now we will add some water. So we will add 1.5 cup of water. And now I'm covering it and let it cook on medium flame. So now it's done. It's done now. Turn off the flame. Now it's layering time. Add the curry, then add boiled potatoes if you want. It's optional. Now after adding all the potatoes, we will add the rice. But before rice, I will add some coriander leaves and mint leaves. Here are some mint leaves and coriander leaves. Now we will add sliced tomatoes, thinly sliced. Now we will add the rice. I took 6 cups of rice. Soak it firstly, then boil it. Now again we will add the curry, that remaining curry. Now after adding remaining curry, again some sprinkle on the top of it, coriander leaves and mint leaves, and thinly sliced tomatoes. I took 2 tomatoes. This is the second one. Now in the remaining, and the brown onions. Now layer the last layer of rice. The last layer of rice. Now again sprinkle some fried onions in the last. And we will add some Kyoda essence and food color. Now add the food color, Kyoda essence, half teaspoon of Kyoda essence. Now we will cover it for 10 to 15 minutes on the lowest flame. This is our final look of chicken Bombay Biryani. I hope you guys like watching this video, and if you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. That really means a lot to me. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.